could I know it would be goodbye, my love? When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare.
In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn a simple image into a fully animated singing video. And this isn't just any lip-syncing animation. It comes with emotions, realistic body movements, and support for humans, animals, 2D, 3D characters, even cartoons or side-face portraits. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor from the link in the description. And if you already have it, make sure it's updated. Once installed, open the software and click New Project to get started. Step 2. Import audio file. Now, navigate to the AI Avatar tab on the left and click on Singing Photo. Here, click to import your audio. This can be your voice, a song, or any music track. The AI will automatically sync your photo with the vocals. Step 3. Choose an avatar. You can see Edimakor already has many singing avatars for you to choose.
The rising sun of faith brings a brand new day.
Softly the night whispers, past memories arise under the moonlit skies, where our old dreams lie. The rhythm starts, a gentle breeze, melodies weave, a symphony of peace.
And you can also customize it yourself. Just click the plus button and upload your image. The customized avatar will be generated immediately. Then, choose your generation effect. Standard keeps the full frame, while Vivid crops and zooms in on the singer's face for a closer look. Select the one that best fits your video style. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Your video will be created in just a few minutes. Try using different images to create a singing video and add some fun effects. And here it is, the final result.
나는 내가 빛나는 별인 줄 알았어요. 한 번도 의심한 적 없었죠. 몰랐어요.
Isn't that great? HitPaw Edimakor's singing avatar feature opens up a whole new world of fun and creativity. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more AI tools and video hacks. See you in the next video.